Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Binance verification keeps failing, there are a few common issues you can fix to complete the identity verification process. First, carefully review the personal information you entered during sign up and make sure it matches your official ID documents exactly. Even small differences can cause rejection. Next, check the quality of the photos you uploaded. Blurry, dark, or cropped images are one of the most common reasons for verification failure. Try retaking your ID photos in a bright, well lit environment where all details are clearly visible. Also, make sure your document is still valid and has not expired before uploading it again. For facial verification, follow the on screen instructions slowly and carefully to avoid mistakes. Avoid using filters, hats, sunglasses, or poor lighting during the face scan, as these can interfere with identity matching. In addition, ensure you have a stable internet connection throughout the process so your submission is not interrupted. Once you have corrected these issues, resubmit your verification request and wait for Binance to review your updated information. If the problem still continues, contact official Binance support for assistance and never share your documents with unofficial third parties. Thanks for watching.